Right, quick video today. As you're probably aware, I am the worst YouTuber that does unboxing videos because I'm too impatient, and normally as soon as they arrive I can't wait to get my hands on the watch. However, today, this arrived this morning. It's now 4:30 in the afternoon and I've been chomping at the bit waiting to open this. Now this is, I purchased this myself. I sold a few watches so I could afford to buy it. As you're probably aware by the thumbnail, it's the Formex Reef. Right, let's get into it then. Come on, you bastard. Let's see. I can't even see the camera. I'm zoomed up. I'm standing up, and as I say, I'm zoomed out as far as I can go to get this in some sort of frame. Right, I purchased this from SeriousWatches in the Netherlands. As I say, it arrived this morning. Shout out to Mark, brilliant customer service. I can't well, this will be testament to that. I can't recommend SeriousWatches enough. Right, hold on a minute. Oh, let's sit down. Oh Christ, maybe I should stand up. Right, hold on. Jesus. There we go. Put that box there. Right, what we got here then? Nice packaging. It's not the first time I've ordered from SeriousWatches. I've actually ordered quite a few. And the packaging and everything else is always brilliant. Some cards there. Dear Mr. Duncan, thanks for your purchase. Enjoy your new Formex watch. Lovely. Loads of packing materials. So obviously the watch is going to be nice and secure in transit. I would like to see their packaging bill. Oh, look at that, isn't that lovely? Nice wee ribbon. Put that there. Oh, more packaging. Christ. Cut that. Cut that. As you probably know, if you look through my channel, I've already reviewed this watch. I'll put like a link in the description. I'll probably do some, because the reason I'm doing an unboxing is because I haven't done a feature on my website for the Formex Reef, and as it was my watch of the year in 2021, I thought, I'll do an unboxing video. But trust me, it was hard for me to look. Every time I looked over at my desk, I'm like, oh, I want to open it, I want to open it. But patience is a virtue. Right, owner's handbook, don't need that. COSC certificate. All good. Lovely giblet. Right, see if I open this and the watch is in a million bits, man. I think I'm going to cry. Oh, there's something else in there. What's that? Wee screwdriver. How much packaging everywhere, man. Right, let's see the watch. Ta-da! Oh yeah! Good to have this back, and it's mine. Oh look, that's no Formex don't normally do that. That's been SeriousWatches that's put all this in. You know, so obviously to hold the watch upright and protect it while in transit. I like that. Because they've made that slightly thicker than the normal cushion, just so it's nice and taut. It's not going to move. Anyway, that's the packaging all done. Oh yeah. Oh shit, I've not even got my wee light on. Hold on. There we go. In fact, let me change this camera back to what I normally use. Right, I'm going to put that there in a sec. Is that set at the right time as well? I think so. There you go, guys. Lovely jubbly. I love this watch. Well, obviously I love it because it was my watch of the year. Is there plastic on it? No. Anyway, it was just a quick video to let you see, and the watch is fantastic. Really happy that I got this. Obviously it's not a cheap watch, but worth it. I'm so glad I've got one back. Obviously in my favourite white dial, hence what I've got on my wrist. Woohoo! Anyway, as soon as I push stop on the camera, I'll be sizing this up and putting it straight on my wrist, as you'd expect. Anyway, just a quick video as I said. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!